हमने चैप्टर 1 लिविंग वर्ल्ड को हमने फिनिश कर दिया है, थ्योरी को। आज हम करने वाले हैं क्वेश्चंस को प्रैक्टिस, ठीक है। तो ये क्वेश्चंस एनसीईआरटी बेस्ड होने वाले हैं, ओके। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दीज क्वेश्चंस। और ये बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चंस होने हैं, आई एम टेलिंग यू, ठीक है। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. Which of the following is seen in all the organisms without exception? Growth, metabolism, reproduction, self-consciousness. Okay. Exception के बिना क्या क्या चीज़ें हो सकती हैं? Growth, metabolism, reproduction, self-consciousness. तो I think कि जो metabolism है, that's the correct answer. So yes, it's metabolism. In the scientific name of mango, the word indica indicates generic name, specific epithet, family to which it belongs, class. The answer is second, specific epithet. Now, moving on, wheat belongs to family Solanaceae, order poles, class poles, family Anacardiaceae. So, as we have learned also, it is order poles. Okay, now moving on, second option. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Increase in mass and increase in number of individuals are twin characteristics of growth. Mountains and sand dunes do not grow. Living organisms show intrinsic growth. Unicellular organisms grow by cell division. So, I can see that among the following equations, out of all these equations, I feel that the correct answer should be option number 2, mountain and sand dunes do not grow, because mountains and sand dunes do grow. Now next question, reproduction is synonymous with growth in bacteria, amoeba, multicellular organisms, both 1 and 2. So basically, their growth indicates reproduction. So that is amoeba and bacteria. Okay, so I think option number 4 would be the right option for question number 5. And moving on, all living organisms 1. reproduce, 2. show growth but not consciousness, sense their surroundings, are not self-replicating. So firstly, few living organisms are self-replicating, so we'll just strike off the question option number 4 and also strike the question number 2, show growth but not consciousness, and the first one, reproduce, and thus we are there on the option number 3, and that is sense their surroundings, because that's about consciousness, and every living organisms stand without exception on the basis of consciousness. Moving on, ICBN stands for, so that's International Code for Botanical Nomenclature, option number 2. Which of the following is incorrect about binomial nomenclature? Biological names are generally in Latin and printed in italics. Okay, right. Correct, this is correct. Second, first word is genus and the second word denotes a specific epithet. Correct. Both the words are separately underlined when handwritten. Correct. Both the words start with capital letter. No. Both the words don't start with the capital letter. It's only about the genus which starts with the capital letter. Moving on, question number 9. Select the odd one with respect to basics of taxonomy. Identification, classification, evolutionary relationships between organisms, nomenclature. Option number 3, because these all are the steps of taxonomy, that's identification, classification, nomenclature. But what actually is taxonomy is about relationships between the organisms. Okay, moving on. The word Select the incorrect statement. The word systematics is derived from the Latin word systema. Second, either say yes, this is right, perfectly right. Question option number 2, all taxonomic categories together constitute taxonomic hierarchy. Yes, this is true for real. Third, taxonomic categories are merely morphological aggregate. No, this is not. Because this isn't true, because there is a separate line in the NCERT which states that taxonomic categories is not basically on the morphological aggregate but similarities. Okay, so that's the correct option, option number 3rd. Now, question number 11, select the odd one with respect to genus which contains many species. So, Panthera has 3. So, Panthera is correct. Homo isn't in this part because Homo is consisting of only one, which is Homo sapiens, which is humans. And then is Solanum. Solanum is also about 3 because Panthera is Panthera tigris, Panthera leo, and Panthera melongena. Why am I saying Panthera melongena? But it is actually Panthera nigrum. Then it's Solanum tigrosum, Solanum melongena, and all. Okay. So that's the option 4, both 1 and 3. Now, question number 12. Genus is a group of related families, orders, species, classes. So, genus is a group of related species. Okay, option number 3rd. Mark the odd one with respect to taxonomic category. Felidae, Solanaceae, Canidae, Carnivora. So, it's easy that odd one with respect to them is Carnivora. Why? Because Felidae and Canidae comes under Carnivora. So basically, the Felidae and Canidae, what are Felidae and Canidae? These are families and they come under the order Carnivora. Okay. Now, which of the following taxonomic category comes after order in ascending order of hierarchy? So order के बाद क्या आता है? ठीक है, so we need to just memorize kingdom, phylum, class, and wait. I'm saying kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. So they are asking कि order के बाद क्या आता है? Ascending order में मतलब छोटे से बड़ा, यानी कि species से जब हम when we go from species to kingdom. So we go species, genus, family, what we call that? Species, genus, family, order and class. So what comes after order is class. So option number 3. Find the incorrect match. Man hominidae, housefly felidae, mango anacardiae, wheat poissy. So the answer is mango anacardiaceae because anacardiaceae is for wheat and not for mango. Okay. Moving on, identify the incorrect statement. Photoperiod affects reproduction in seasons. Breeders, both plants and animals. All organisms are aware of their surroundings. A person lying in coma has no self-consciousness. Molecular constituent of an organism decides its property. So according to me, the answer for this question is, that is, which one is wrong? I feel that the wrong one amongst it is that molecular constituent of an organism decides its property. Moving on, question number 17. Which among the four given options contains taxa of similar level? Taxa, similar level में कौन सा है? The dogs, wheat, plants, Diptera, poles, primata, Mysidae, hominidae, monocotyledonee, Chordata, insecta, angiospermy. So they are asking about similar level पे taxa कौन सा है? Okay, so what I think is that the answer for this one would be Diptera. False primata. That's option 2. Because look, in the first option it is relating plants with weeds. Similarly, in the third option they are relating New Zealand hominidae with monocotyledony. And the same thing is happening with the fourth option as well. Angiospermy, insecta, chordata, all are getting related. Okay. 18th question. Identify these statements as true or false. Earliest classifications were based on uses of various organisms. Yes, this is true. Next, system is a Greek word that means systematic arrangement of organisms. Yes. And the modern taxonomy includes development processes and ecological information. Yes, all are correct, so I will go with the first option. 19th question. You have to do it for yourself because I cannot explain it like this in this way, but the answer is all taxonomic categories together constitute taxonomic hierarchy. Each category represents a rank and termed as taxon. Taxonomic categories are taxonomic hierarchies and not merely taxonomic groups. Okay, last question for the day. Read the given statements and choose the correct option. Statement A. Families are characterized on the basis of both vegetative and reproductive features. True. Members of Felidae and Canidae are grouped under common class due to the presence of canine. Yes, true. So I'll go with the third option and we end with this session. And I hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.